Yes, since a small kid, I was already passionate for airplanes and also for aerospace, like the space industry. 2016, I finally could merge passion and job. So I started building up satellites by myself. So it's not like only screwing stuff together, it's also the merging between mechanics, electronics, and optics. And this is the part where it's more exciting. And when I told my friends in the past, yeah, I starting building up satellites by myself, and they were super excited and also super interested in it. Of course, people, they are taking it granted that we have internet, that we have navigation, weather forecast, but this is exactly what it comes from the satellite up there. And I'm really happy to work here because I have so many experience and also ambitious colleagues, and for me, Reflex is the next level of aerospace. So I really can just recommend to join our team and work here with Reflex.